Not only are there a variety of colors and shapes available, solid surfaces are stain resistant, easy to clean, and require low maintenance. These qualities make solid surfaces an excellent choice for healthcare, educational institutions, and food service. Solid surfaces are easy to clean and almost immune to most common chemicals on the market. Consumers may use standard household cleaners or a damp cloth and mild soap to keep their surfaces looking like new. While other products are prone to display their faults to all, solid surfaces erase this negative connotation. Ammonia-based cleaners and some general-purpose cleaners are good for spots and stains. Stains on high-gloss finishes may require different cleaners than those on matte finishes. Commercial solid surface cleaning sprays formulated to clean difficult stains are also available at home centers. Towel drying the surface prevents water spots, which most restaurants and highly viewed spaces will appreciate. Stains that may be permanent on other surfaces, such as the marker and wood stains shown in the slide, can easily be removed with light abrasives, bringing the solid surface back to its original appearance. One of the most innovative features of solid surfaces is the ability to create inconspicuous seams. Inconspicuous seams allow you to design projects of virtually any size without the worry of seeing the seams. Inconspicuous seams can be created in the shop or even in the field at installation by a professional installer using specially formulated color-match adhesives that virtually weld the materials together. As a word of warning, always use the term inconspicuous and not invisible when setting expectations for your client. Many believe the biggest advantage of solid surfaces materials is the ability of fabricators to make seams almost disappear. A solid surface with multiple levels and turns looks like one homogeneous piece of material in the hands of a good installer. The material doesn't call attention to its application and structure, but seems to flow effortlessly through the space, monolithic and clean. Solid surfaces can be repaired to look like new, but that's not always the case with other materials. Scratches, nicks, chips, and other damages can be repaired. Solid surface is just that, solid all the way through. As a result, most damage, including heat or chemical damage, deep scratches, gouges, and places where material is missing, can even be repaired on site. Even major damage such as the full-length crack pictured in this slide can be repaired to look like it never happened. This makes solid surface the perfect repairable, sustainable material for any project. Since solid surfaces, colors, and designs go all the way through the sheet and the product is 100% non-porous, there is never a need to seal or paint the surface. Simple cleaning solutions or soap and water will keep your solid surfaces looking new for a lifetime. The ease of repair and low maintenance qualities mean solid surfaces will look good and stay in place for as long as the building itself. The material doesn't fade, crack with age, or simply wear out, as long as it's maintained. Businesses in the food industry are often judged by the cleanliness of their surroundings, so it is critical to have a product that can withstand the wear and tear of constant use while still projecting spotless sanitary appearance. Educational entities find this trait appealing due to the high traffic of students in the halls, classrooms, cafeterias, libraries, and bathrooms, where literally thousands will congregate over the years. Solid surfaces are indeed preferred because of their ability to withstand the use of so many in an area that serves the needs of multiple generations. Solid surfaces come in a standard size of 30 inches wide by 144 inches long by 1/2 inch thick. Longer, wider, or thicker sheets may be ordered for special applications. Experienced fabricators can assist in selecting the right size for the project. A reputable manufacturer will offer sizes that will give the fabricator best material yield, thus saving your client on final costs of the project. While its seamless structure with bonded seams is aesthetically pleasing, it also means the non-porous surface will prevent dirt and debris from snagging on the seams and creating a haven for mold and mildew to fester. The inconspicuous seams do make the solid surfaces easy to clean, but it also means bacteria will not have an avenue to grow. This is especially important in industries such as healthcare, where the expectations go beyond having a surface that's easy to clean. Solid surfaces must offer a way to provide hygienic environment to healthcare providers to assist in the reduction and spread of infectious germs and promote well-being amongst their patients. Solid surfaces are a perfect choice for healthcare projects.